Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Kimberly. If you're new here, welcome. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely leave a comment if this video was helpful for you. And without further ado, I'm gonna get right into the video. So first I'm gonna take my Smooth Shine Polishing Heat Protectant and spray it on my leave out as a heat protectant to protect my curl pattern. Then I'm going to take my blow dryer and my brush, and I'm going to blow out my leave out. This is freshly washed hair. I washed the weave with my leave out. So yeah, this was freshly washed hair. So the reason I blow dried it is to get all the kinks out, and it's easier to straighten it when it's been blow dried. Now I'm gonna take my flat iron, which is by BB, the brand, and I'm gonna set it not to 450 because you don't want to put that type of heat on your natural hair. I'm gonna set it to about 370. And I'm gonna wait for it to heat up. So now I'm going to take my rat tail comb. You can get these from your local beauty supply store. I like these kind because they have the metal tip and it's easier to part. But I'm going to part a small section of my natural hair. Because the smaller the section you do, the straighter your hair will get. I see a lot of people use wax sticks, but I don't have one right now. I do have some beeswax though. So I'm going to take some. Rub it in between my hands, like so, and put it on my hair. DIY wax stick. Now I'm going to take my rat tail comb. Start it with my natural hair. Take my flat iron. And press. Whoa. That actually works. Like, I've never seen anyone do it like that, but it blended right in with the hair. So, I'll do it again. And you don't have to get new beeswax every time. I still have some left over in my hand, so I'm just going to use that. I am going to put some extra on the ends because that's the part that tends not to blend very well. Now again, I'm going to take my comb and once it comes to my that blend. I have colored hair, so it's not gonna be black, but it blends very well. You see from the side profile. I mean from the front profile. Just look at this. Oh my gosh. This is my first time trying this technique. Just imagine if my hair was all black. Look at that. Looks like my hair is frying, but I promise you it's not. It's just the wax and the heat coming in contact. So after you get your leave out flat, you're going to want to take probably a satin scarf, but I can't find my satin scarf right now, so I'm just going to use a bandana. And you're going to want to wrap your hair up so it'll lay down properly. I'm going to leave this on for 5 minutes, then I'll be back to you guys. So it's been 5 minutes, so I'm going to remove the scarf. looked really flat. Like it blends right in. So if you follow the steps that I did, then you should get the same results that I did too.